Hi there, today, I want to share with you an exciting development. In the world of manufacturing, the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in cement production is revolutionizing the way factories operate. Cement production is a complex, energy-intensive process that requires careful monitoring and control to ensure high-quality products are produced. Traditionally, this has been a labor-intensive task, with humans monitoring machines and making adjustments as needed. However, with the integration of AI into cement factories, production processes have been transformed. AI systems are now monitoring and analyzing data in real time, making it possible to identify and fix issues before they become major problems. For example, one of the most significant benefits of AI in cement production is its ability to optimize fuel consumption. By analyzing historical data and predicting future trends, AI systems can identify the most efficient ways to operate machines, ultimately reducing fuel costs and increasing overall production efficiency. Another advantage of AI in cement factories is its ability to predict and prevent equipment failure. By analyzing data from sensors and previous incidents, AI can identify potential issues before they become major problems. This not only saves time and money on repairs, but also ensures the continued operation of the plant. In addition to these benefits, AI is also helping to reduce pollution in cement production. By analyzing emissions data and identifying patterns, AI can help factories optimize their emissions control systems, ultimately reducing the amount of greenhouse gases produced. In conclusion, the future of jobs is here, and AI is playing a significant role in revolutionizing cement production in factories. From optimizing fuel consumption and preventing equipment failure to reducing pollution, AI is making significant strides in making the manufacturing process cleaner, more efficient, and more cost-effective.